The double blade miter, or T2400, is manufactured in Italy. It is used for cutting frame mouldings at a 45-degree angle. It is suitable for framers who have a considerable workload, at least 20 frames per day. Now let's see in detail how the saw works. To turn on the saw, this is the power button, and this is the power off button. The vertical clamps are responsible for holding the moulding in place during cutting. The saw is equipped with 2 pairs of vertical clamps. For thin mouldings, only 1 pair of clamps is needed. For thicker mouldings, you can use either 1 pair or 2 pairs of clamps. The distance between the first and second clamp is adjustable using this knob. The horizontal clamps are used to push the moulding against the support bar and hold it in place during cutting. To operate them, you must first rotate this knob. The horizontal clamps automatically engage when cutting, that is, when the 2 appropriate buttons are pressed. They have 3 fixed positions suitable for moulding widths of 4 centimeters, 6 centimeters, and 9 centimeters. They are not needed for thin mouldings since the vertical clamp is sufficient. If the moulding width exceeds the position of the clamp, it cannot pass through. In this case, you must adjust the clamp position, which is a rather lengthy operation. Open the cover that protects the blades and perform these operations. Now the moulding can pass through, and you can close the cover. As you can see, it's a lengthy operation, so it's better to preset the 3 positions of the horizontal clamps once and for all. Cutting is done by pressing the appropriate buttons with both hands and simultaneously pressing the pedal. This precaution is required by law under safety regulations. Of course, the pedal must be previously connected to the saw's electrical system by inserting the 24 wires into the appropriate holes. We want to cut pieces for a frame measuring 50 by 60 centimeters. The moulding is slid along the diagram table until it reaches the 50 centimeter cutting mark. Then the cutting stop is secured by tightening the knob. The stop is then raised to allow the moulding to slide. The moulding is advanced to 60 centimeters and then secured with the other stop. The maximum cutting width of the mouldings is 10 centimeters. The maximum cutting length of the diagram table is approximately 130 centimeters for very wide mouldings like this one, and approximately 140 centimeters for thin mouldings. However, a greater length is possible when using the right extension. Now let's look at some details of the saw. To adjust the height of the plastic guard, you need to unscrew these knobs and raise or lower the guard. The electrical system is enclosed in this panel. The trimmings come out of this hole. This is a set of filters. This is the condensation filter, and this is the oil filter. By turning this regulator, you can adjust the descent speed of the blades. This is the vertical clamps pressure regulator, and this one is for the horizontal clamps. These are the saw's optional accessories. The right extension assembly with diagram table is done as follows. The saw comes with a pair of circular blades, 40 centimeters in diameter, with a 30mm hole. This is the correct procedure for replacing the blades. For the T2400 saw, RINALDIN provides the following spare blades. These are the technical specifications of the T2400 saw. A 45-page technical manual for the saw with many illustrations is included with the saw. You will find the T2400 saw, spare blades, and optional accessories in RINALDIN's catalog and on the website rinaldin.com.